Skincare nowadays is a top priority for every woman, and we always search for new and best working options for caring for our skin better. But buying luxurious skincare products all the time is not pocket-friendly for everyone. So DIY skincare is gradually taking the place of expensive skincare products. DIY skincare is an easy-peasy and budget-friendly option for every problem, and the best part is, these recipes can be made with ingredients available in your home. But that doesn't mean you should put all the kitchen stuff into a bowl and make a face pack for yourself. There are also some restrictions on skincare ingredients that you can use on DIY face masks or other products. So before running to the kitchen to make DIY products, check out the ingredients that you should avoid.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
If you ever search for how to make DIY toner, you may have seen many blogs recommending using raw apple cider vinegar as a toner for your skin. But that's the scariest thing you can do to your skin. Apple cider vinegar is full of acidic properties that can cause burn, irritation, and inflammation. Even apple cider vinegar is so acidic that it can easily burn skin tags or warts in just one use. So next time while you put apple cider vinegar into your DIY toner, remember to dilute the vinegar with water at least. Keep your baking soda for baking, because for the skin, you can't imagine how terrible it can be. Baking soda contains high alkaline that is enough to damage your skin compared to any other acidic ingredient. Also, the pH balance of your skin will be disrupted and can wreak havoc on your skin's natural lipid barriers. Irritation, inflammation, and severe moisture loss are also some bad effects that you will face if you use baking soda on your face. Don't get inspired by raw eggs used on K-beauty products and start putting eggs on your DIY platter. Using raw eggs directly on the face can cause bacterial infections like Salmonella, Listeria, Staphylococcus aureus, avian influenza, and other foodborne pathogens. So don't use raw eggs for firming or tightening skin. Instead, go for a good facial and make yourself relaxed. It's true that vitamin C works great for skin lightening and firming. But that doesn't mean you can apply lemon juice full of vitamin C directly to your face. Lemon juice contains high vitamin C, which is acidic enough to ruin your face, just like apple cider vinegar. Using lemon juice directly on your face can increase your skin's photosensitivity, risk of sunburn, hyperpigmentation, and premature aging. Instead, you can use a few drops of lemon juice infused or mixed with other skincare ingredients and apply it on your face. Though using toothpaste is a great ingredient to smooth out pimples at home, it will still leave you with the risk of marks, discoloration, and drying skin after the acne fades off. Toothpaste has highly irritating ingredients like peppermint extracts, peroxide, baking soda, and alcohol. So despite reducing your face inflammation or acne scars, it may cause skin irritation and possible chemical burn. So don't use too much toothpaste on your face for the sake of skin safety. While many DIY blogs consider cinnamon as a great exfoliant for the skin, studies say that this stick spice can easily cause skin irritation, blisters, and in some cases even burns after just one use. Moreover, cinnamon can alter your skin's pH level with disrupted skin barrier and water loss. Though the antimicrobial benefits of cinnamon are great for treating wounds, They're not recommended for use as an exfoliant. Rather go for finely ground oatmeal as an exfoliant. It'll be better for your skin. If you are someone who uses coconut oil on your face instead of hair, then soon you are going to face clogged pore problems. Coconut oil is highly comedogenic with a rating of 4 out of 5, which means your face is going to dive into clogged pores and breakouts, blemishes, and inflammation. So keep your coconut oil only for the scalp, not for the face. That's all with the DIY skincare ingredients that you should avoid, and instead of these, go for something more skin-friendly and healthy. Also, do comment which DIY ingredients from the list you have already used and faced disappointment. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.